Well, hey y'all, it is a humid day here in Georgia 8B. Summer, I believe, is upon us. I just wanted to come to y'all and show y'all some of the things that we're doing today. So we're expecting a good amount of rain, which I can't help but just be so thankful for. But I went ahead and fertilized before the rain came. I just didn't put very much fertilizer on our plants, but I went ahead and give them some with this drought. They're just really struggling, and I'm trying not to push them too hard, but I know that with all of the rain that we're expecting, that it's gonna work out okay. So we did that already, and then we are going to go in and plant out our seedlings, because what's going to be great for these seedlings is they're fixing to get consistent moisture over the next couple weeks, which is really great for them. So we still have some things that are left that we hadn't put out yet, and we wanted to get those in the ground before the rain came. All right, so this is some of our winter sowing seed, and actually I didn't winter sow it. I actually started it in March, so kind of late for us, but it worked out perfect because Coleus really likes the hot and humid weather, and so I waited until it was nice and warm to start it, and it actually did really, really great. I'm pleased with it, at least. So this area right here gets a good amount of shade. This is the Pineapple Surprise Coleus from Swallowtail. We got the seed from Swallowtail Nursery. And Coleus typically likes a lot of shade. Some of the newer varieties can handle some sun. I think this is one of them, but I know that they don't mind the shade either. So this area right through here, we're going to put in these Coleus. They get about 20 to 26 inches tall, so I think that's going to be great for right here. All right, again, the great thing about planting seedlings is that you don't really need to dig that big of a hole. You can actually just push the soil out of the way, and they'll just plop right in. So we're going to do a little bit of a zigzag pattern here. The reason why I picked this particular Coleus is because it's supposed to have green and then some purple on the leaves. So I always like that combination with Coleus when it's got a little bit of variation to it. All right, and just like that, easy peasy, they're in the ground. Don't look like much, but hopefully they're gonna look really great, especially with this is wildberry heuchera back here. It'll pick up the purple variation in the leaf. All right, the next thing we have is it's either Las Vegas or Audrey mix Gomphrena. I kind of combined the two because they looked very similar. So I'm not sure exactly which seed is which, but we planted some out in our front yard, and now we're gonna plant this remainder of the plant in here in the backyard. I really need to get rid of these seed trays. I really don't love it. It's one big tray. It's hard to get the plants out because they're attached to a much bigger cell. Anyways, we put in a little biotone. They need to be about a foot apart when you go to plant them. And we're just going to drop them in. So even though it's supposed to rain today, we're going to go ahead and water all of these in, because you never know. I can't tell you how many times they've told us we're going to get rain and then it just magically disappears before it gets here. So you just never know. And y'all, that about wraps it up. I know it doesn't seem like much, but until we get really used to this humidity, there really isn't a lot that we can do at any given time. We're really having to work and then take a break and work and take a break. But soon enough, we'll be used to it and it won't be that big of a deal. So I hope that you're able to enjoy your time with your family, stay hydrated, and make sure you stay safe in all the heat and humidity that the summer brings while you enjoy your garden. And we'll see y'all real soon.